Nabutan ako ng red light. Gusto niyo makita yung aking ano. Hindi ko maibaliktad eh. I don't know why is this camera like this. Okay. Oops. Matanggap na yung husband ko doon sa in-applyan niyang work. Mas maayos ang sweldo. Taghirap. Ang hirap kumanap ng trabaho ngayon. Ang asawa ko hindi makahanap eh. Sana hindi mag-red dyan. Yung stoplight. Para dire-diretso ako. Wala, hinto. They are all green but hope it will not turn red. They will not turn red. Yeah, pass the other one. The next one. And probably the last one. Before I turn. Yep. The last one. So, yeah. Oops. Now, there's no more stoplight. Wala nang stoplight. Wala nang before I turn, because before I turn right. Oh, meron pa yung stoplight doon sa pag-turn ko pala ng pag-turn ko pala ng right. Yun is stoplight yun. But anyway, I could turn I could turn right easily. So yep. I'll be right there. Gonna be turning. Oh, it's good. It's a green light. This is it. Malapit na. Malapit na ako sa work. What time is it? Oh, 35 already. Yeah, good. 6:35. Oh, no, not 6:35. It's 5:36. 5:36. In the morning. Good spirit in the morning. It's Monday morning, that's what it is. Today. Turn ng left. Closer. Okay. Oops. There's only one vehicle. Isa pa lang sasakyan. Ibig sabihin, isa pa lang yung katrabaho kong andito. So, ako ang second. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Here. So, dang. Okay, I'm here. Bawal mag-video sa loob. So, see you later.